Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackmon here with Paramount Property Investments. I'm at a 3-bed, 1-bath Cape Cod property in Akron, Ohio, in the Ellet area. Ellet is a subdivision that has a good reputation in regards to the crime rate, in regards to school systems and so forth. This property I actually had listed a couple of days ago for sale. And the same day we put it on the market, the same day I was able to get a buyer to make an offer that the seller couldn't refuse. So now, although I do buy houses primarily on a day-to-day basis, I also have my real estate license, so I can actually list properties for sale for homeowners who are not in a situation where they need to sell quickly or they have to sell, or they would, ideally they would like to sell closer to full retail market value. We can help them in that area as well. We can put your home on the market in the multiple listing service and bring you a buyer. So this is that kind of scenario. At the price point that this property is selling for, we wouldn't have been able to buy it. We don't buy at full retail market value. The main way we help homeowners is getting the problem property off their hands and solving their problems. We make, to a degree, we make their problems our problems in regards to fixing up a property or paying off property taxes that are delinquent, things like that. Maybe they're behind on their mortgage, maybe you lost a job, maybe you live out of state, you just cannot manage the property any longer. That's pretty much where we come in. So, this property wasn't that kind of situation. It was a simple homeowner who, lost her parents a while ago, and she's been maintaining the property over the years. She's not in any hurry to sell, but she would just like to kind of, sell the property, and kind of move on with her life. And ideally, she would like full retail market value, and that's exactly what I was able to make happen for her. So we're going to be closing on this property in a few weeks. Worked out for my buyer. He was looking to buy a property in this neighborhood, in this condition. It's a win-win-win situation. So whatever situation you're in as a seller, or if you know somebody who's, a potential seller, definitely have them give us a call. 330-685-2220. Or if you just want general information about us, look us up on Google, look at our reviews, or just go to our website, www.investparamount.com.